Hi guys, it's Colin from Fil-Am Brothers here, and today we're gonna be making homemade hash browns. Our whole family always loves potatoes for breakfast, so we're gonna make hash browns. Before we used to get them frozen, but now we're gonna make them homemade. So we're gonna have here is your potato, peeled and fresh. You want to grate it out. Alright, now that the potato is almost done, what you want to do with all this right here is you're going to want to take out all the moisture. By doing this, you just want to use a paper towel and to soak up all the moisture. And once you soak up all the moisture, you're going to put it in your preheated pan on a low fire with some oil. So now we're just going to soak up all the moisture from it. Alright guys, now that the potatoes are nice and dry, what we're going to do here is put it on the preheated pan with the oil. You're just going to spread it and flatten it out to have evenly cooked potatoes. So now after about 15 minutes, you're going to want to flip it, and we'll be back. Alright guys, it's time to flip it. We're going to see the other side. We're going to put it on the plate. Whoa.
Look at that.
Look at the color. It looks so good and crispy.
Yeah. If only we would have known about this, we've not been buying the ones in cartons from Costco. We would have been making this homemade one.
Yeah.
It's
very easy to make, guys.
Very easy to make.
So that will be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want any more cooking tutorials like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.